Hello students, now let's continue the lesson on page number 46. Okay, let's see about Kalpana Chawla. First paragraph, Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontier of space. So she was born in Karnal in Haryana on March 17, 1962. That was the birth date and birth year of Kalpana Chawla. She was born in Karnal in Haryana in the on March 17 in the year 1962. So as a small town people, she was also never thought about to cross the border of space. So she would never dream about the space journey before as a child in Karnal. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore school. So after graduated, she thought that it was enough for her that her parent allow her to attend engineering college. So it was all for her. She was not expected anything else from her parents. Okay, it was enough for her to let her attend engineering college, that her parents allow her to attend engineering college after completing her school education. Okay, so she never thought about that she would become a space traveler or become astronaut. Okay, so she never thought about that. Second paragraph, after a Bachelor of Science degree in aeronautical engineering against great opposition from her father, she went for the master degree to the United States of America. So she completed her bachelor degree in India in Punjab College, and then she wished to complete her master degree in America, but her father was against her does not want to let go to her abroad. So her father was against to her. Okay, he did not want her to go abroad. But because of the strong opposition from her father, she went America and completed her master degree. She later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. So not also she completed her master degree, but also she gained or earned PhD degree also in aerospace engineering. So she finished her bachelor degree in India, then he went to America for further study and completed her master degree, and then also she completed her PhD degree. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in a successful mission in space. So, Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American. Here it is written that Indian American. Why? Because she born in India, but she accepted the citizenship of America. So it is written that Indian American woman. Okay, so Indian born in India. First, she is the first woman born in India that blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participated in successful mission in space. So she became the first woman who travel India. So travel in space. So as born in India. So Indian woman, first Indian woman who travels in space. She became first Indian woman to travel in space. Her family from India cheered along with staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia lift off. So, from the Kennedy Space Center, her first space mission was started in the Columbia aircraft. So, Columbia is the name of that aircraft in which Kalpana Chawla and other crew members travel in the space. Okay, so Columbia is the name of aircraft. So that was her first journey of space. That was in the year, her first journey of space was in the year 1997. She does her first journey of space in 1997. That was STS-87. It is the first Kalpana Chawla's first space mission. Okay, and she spent 15 days and 16 hours and 34 minutes in space for the first time when she traveled in space. Okay, so that was the first journey of Kalpana Chawla in the space. Okay, and in first time she was success to spend 15 days and 16 hours and 34 minutes. So that was the first experience of Kalpana Chawla to travel in space. So let's see the third paragraph. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen married to flight instructor Jean Perry Harrison. So, Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal in Haryana, but she was accepted US citizenship and she married to flight instructor Jean Perry Harrison. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes and single-engine seaplane and gliders. So, besides she was astronaut, she was also a pilot. Okay, and she had a license for flying multi-engine land airplane, then single engine seaplane and glider. So she had a license for flying this aircraft. Gliders is a light aircraft, and she had a license to fly all the airplanes and aircraft. She was also a certified flight instructor. So she was also a flight instructor. Okay, she got many degrees. Okay, here we see that. Now turn the page. After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge and applying to NASA's Space Shuttle program. Now, after she got the pilot degree and after qualifying as a pilot, she has a challenge, another challenge that she applying to NASA's Space Shuttle program, and she was first hired as a research scientist at NASA. So, she was applied for NASA and NASA also hired her as a research scientist. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. Okay, in 1994, NASA has been selecting her as the training astronaut. Now let's see the fourth paragraph. When asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied, someone asked her that how she feel as a woman in astronaut field. Okay, then she replied that I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country. So while I am pursuing my study or while I am doing anything what I have done, I have never thought that I am woman and I am from another country or I am person from the small city. So I have never thought about that. She replied well. ઓકે સો એણે ક્યારેય પણ એવું નહીં વિચાર્યું કે હું વુમન છું કે હું સ્મોલ ટાઉનથી છું કે હું કોઈક બીજી કન્ટ્રીમાંથી આવી છું. શી નેવર થોટ અબાઉટ ધીસ. She only persuaded her study and she only concentrate what she do. Okay, so she well replied on that question. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else and I followed them. Then she told that I pretty much had my dreams. So I have my own dreams and like anyone else. So everyone has their own dreams and like them I have also my own dreams. And I just persuaded, I just followed my dreams. Okay, so and people who were around me fortunately always encouraged me and said if that's what you want to do, carry on. So she told that the people around her was also very supporting to her and always encouraging her that do whatever you wants to do. Okay, so that was the reply of Kalpana Chawla on the question. Okay, so well replied by Kalpana Chawla and we have also get lesson from that. Okay, and further paragraphs we'll discuss later. Till then, take care students, stay home, stay safe.